To set up the fingerprint sensor on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to Settings, then over here scroll down and choose Fingerprint Face Data and Screen Lock, and then we can tap on Fingerprint Unlock. So first we will need to provide the screen lock password that we have set up, and if you don't use screen lock, then you will need to set it up first. Once you do that, we will see the information about the screen protector, that it may interfere with the fingerprint recognition. Over here on display we have our fingerprint scanner, so we can press with our finger. We don't have to press it, we need to touch it with our finger in order to start scanning our finger. So use your finger that you wish to use in order to unlock your phone. Of course, in your case, most likely you need to use a thumb, as it is the most convenient one, I believe. And you need to touch the screen on the sensor and then lift your finger once a part of the icon is filled. And try to scan from every angle possible so that it is then without any issues. Well, you can use your fingerprint sensor after that without any issues. Once you are done, we can press done over here. You will go to fingerprint settings and you can find your fingerprint over here. You can add another one. You can also choose to add another fingerprint and still use the same finger if you have issues with the current scan. And then you can also choose for what you want to use the fingerprint sensor. So by default, of course, we use for lock screen, but we can also enable it for the privacy password, app lock, and so on. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.